Say Merry Christmas. You don't have to say Merry Christmas. Say, you know how to say it? Merry Christmas.
Oh.
All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss Beanie in America. It's been a while, guys. Yeah, I'm still around. I'm still watching you guys from afar. Thank you for sticking by me, and thanks for the love and for my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. If you are just joining for the first time, thank you for joining us. So today, what we are doing today, we're gonna be see that tree. So we're going to be designing or decorating the tree tonight. Are you ready? It's actually his first time, so he's pretty excited. Yeah, you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah. Okay, now let's start. Yeah. So now. Yeah, I have it. Where did you go? I'm trying to lose it. Okay, guys. Actually, this plant is not a new one. It's the one I used last. No. You know how to use it. You don't play with it. Yeah, it's a light. You don't play with it. Oh, yeah, come here. Yeah, it's a yeah, no, it's come on, bring it. Put it here. Sure. Okay, I'm not ready for that. I'm really not ready. You have to put it here. See. Look. Yeah, you have to do it like this. Yeah, in the light. Okay, wait. Relax. I'm trying to lose it. Wait. It's tangled because I used it last year. Yeah, so I'm trying to lose it. Yeah. So. Oh yeah, come on, piece it back. See?
Daddy.
No, Daddy. Come put it here.
Daddy.
Okay, to me, I'm not ready for that. Just put it on this. Only this time, you're not doing it again.
Christmas.
Yeah, the Christmas light. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you ready? Okay. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Hey. I don't know how to do it. I'm just gonna wrap it around. Yes. Good boy, you enjoy it? Okay, what color is that? Good boy. There's no white there. I don't have the white. Hmm? Yeah. Are you happy? Yeah, but please don't plug it here. No, don't. No, I said don't plug it. Dominic, oh, don't do that. You need don't. I know you need light, but it's not hard to fix it, right? Oh, no, not like that. Put it like this. Just put it round, like that. Round, down, round. See? Yeah, go. Take it round. You like it? You want? It's not fire, it's light. It's a light, not fire, baby. So let me show you this. It's not fire orange, Dominion. It's fire. I mean, it's light. Oh, I know. I didn't blame you because it's your first time. Put it. You need help? Like this. See? Like this. Good boy. I actually like this. I got it in Target. So pretty.